From worker to trader, day number 17. Yesterday I did a couple of more trades. As you can see, my balance it's $874. That was pretty short trades, but with brain, you know what I mean? I just realized that I want to use this strategy, the short strategy. My win rate pretty awful, 50%. Eh, whatever. Not bad stats for yesterday. Uh, Anyway, let's check. So, I really don't like to trade when we have this news. Look here. 8:30, one news. 9 a.m. another news. It's just insane, bro. The best decision to not trade. But I will. Trying to go up. But where we trying to go up? Wow. 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 Yesterday I did my money over here. Wait, there was two candles, not only one candle. What's the time was yesterday? I was in the job, probably somewhere around here. Yes, but it's bullshit. That was one candle. Oh yeah. Sorry, my bad, guys. That was two candles in the 1 minute. Ah, it doesn't matter at all. That was two candles, very big candles. One in the top side and the second one in the bottom side. That was pretty obviously that we don't want to go in the bottom, we don't want to go in the short position, but at the same time I was like, okay, if it's not like if it's stupid to go in the short position, maybe market maker want us to buy it, right? So I did the short position and I won. So okay, right now it's very funny that it's working. I mean, this level that I used, and we bounced from this level. Do we want to go short? But we already break the level over here. Like it doesn't make sense to go short, absolutely. Like we have a zone of liquidity here. That was from the London session. Yeah, like probably really high probability, really high that we will go here on this zone of liquidity. A lot of people they want to open their short position over here because they have this level too. But in my opinion, we didn't take this liquidity. In other words, yeah, the most highest probability that we want to go long. And we here, yeah. Do I really want to open my position right now? Not the best idea. I should wait until I have really perfect situation, but I guess the market won't give me the perfect situation. You know what I mean? What about 1 minute? They think we want that it's fake breakout. It's fake breakout. It's absolutely obviously because like look at this liquidity over here. All right, probably we can go here to take this liquidity and then goes up. I'm not sure. We have news after a couple of minutes. I want to take really interesting trade. Really interesting trade. The most highest probability that we will go there. We break this. Like really, we break all the levels in the bottom side, all the levels. So which means we should to go up. Wait, every second it's a fucking news or what? 8:45. It's nothing, bruh. 8:45. I really want to open my trade right now. Hmm. But I want a little bit, discount. Like somewhere here, you know what I mean? Um, yeah, we have logic. We have logic. All right, let's check biggest time frames. We don't want to rush. We create fair value gap. Now we are in this fair value gap. Mm, yeah, that's a good discount to buy right now.
Order filled.
I really understand where we're going. Why? What? What the fuck was this risk to reward? 1,000. Uh, Come on, bro. Everybody just understand that we wanna whatever. Um, I should close my position before 8:45 or what?
Order filled.
I close my position just because I really understand that we want to go here before we can break this level. I was like, this thoughts in my head. Like it's so obvious that a lot of people who open their long position, they sit here. It's literally the same level. The guys who open their short position, they sit here. It's pretty obvious level. And it can't start right here. It's like you should wait. I should wait a little bit more. And these news at 8:45, they're really I don't like them at all. And come on, bro. Like I don't understand. News at 8:30, 8:45, 9 a.m. Very stupid. So before I can open my long position, I should wait when the guys who open their long position, they will not have their stop losses any longer. So probably what I expect. Everybody just open their short position here. So we should take their liquidity. So we goes here. They will sell. They will sell. They will sell. We will grab this liquidity from the buyers, guys who opened their long position. After this, maybe from here, even from here, we can break this level too. We can push. See? Do you see this? Very obviously. Okay, but everything can be changed after 3 minutes of the news. Yesterday, I was like, maybe I should change my tactic, like one-to-one risk to reward, because yesterday I had plus $700, plus $600, but I was like, okay, guru from YouTube, they say like only use two to one risk to reward or multiple, whatever. And I was like, yeah, I should wait. And I can't even move my stop loss. There was no point for the moving my stop loss like in the middle of nowhere. Doesn't make sense. So, what I wanna easy. So what I want to do, what I want to do. Did we took this liquidity? We will break a little bit more, I guess. So what I want to do, what I want to do. I want to open my trade with 2 to 1 risk to reward, but then I will move my stop loss like 1 to 1 if I will see some reaction, all that stuff. I will take my money. I close this trade very perfectly. I like that. Maybe I should open my trade over here to the short position because I understand that that period that we will do this. We wanna break this level before we can go up. That everybody will be like, oh, that's a short position, but no, it's a lot of liquidity here. Let's see if I'm right. We don't want to take this liquidity. Mm, let's see. In the 5 minutes, we already can, open our trade. Um, that was all the movement. Damn, look at this liquidity. I mean, look at this movement. I forgot what is that word in the English. It's like trade word when something happened very quickly. So yeah, should I already open my trade? Right now it's news. Wait, I should wait 1 minute because it's the rules of the dubstep. Okay. I really don't want to open my trade in this situation.
Order filled.
In the fucking highest price, but we just have so much liquidity to push in the long. I agree that this is not the best entry, but anyway, my idea. We don't want to take this liquidity very, very interesting, I guess. I don't understand why we don't want to take this liquidity, why we already goes higher, who knows? But we already took the liquidity from the guys who opened their long position, so Or the market maker is really, really smart guy who will just took liquidity here and then goes up, or we already want to go up. I don't know. I really understand that we want to go up just because we already took the whole liquidity that we did fake breakout exactly like here, the same here. Like it's perfect situation. I mean, it's perfect. It's fuck this English. It's perfect example of the fake breakout. Like when all the people they open their short position. Like a lot of people there open their short position because we break this level, we retest this level, and then they open their trades. But mm, because of this, okay, okay, just breathe and chill. Breathe and chill. That's a lot of liquidity over here. Like that's really a lot of liquidity over here. At least we want to break this. At least. Yeah, like look at this. That's it. What a weird movement. Everybody in shock right now. We already take this liquidity. Our next target is here. Boom. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here. But we took this liquidity, so probably something like here. I really like to see when my prediction working. Like I really love this. I already want to, close my trade because we took this liquidity and we have this reaction, but at the same time, my first idea was to take this liquidity. It's the whole point that we are trying to goes up, doesn't make any sense to reverse the trend right now. Doesn't make any sense. I have 10 minutes before the news. I want to take something around $700 from this trade, at least. I will move my stop loss when I will have plus $500. Let's go more. Not yet because we can, have correction from here. 9 minutes before the news. I am not greedy. It's not even one-to-one risk to reward. Okay. Could we just break this level with two or one candle? Interesting. How I predict that was fake breakout. Like how I did this. I was like, yeah, it's fake breakout just because a lot of people they want to this. Like for real, I can understand this already twice. Yesterday I did the same thing. Now we want to grab this liquidity. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mm, I really don't like this candle at all. Do I want to close my trade right now?
Order filled.
That was a very weird situation, so I closed my trade before. I closed my trade before. Now do we want?
Order filled.
Uh, I saw reaction here. I saw the two shadows that will literally bounce from this level, which makes sense. So I opened one more trade, but in this trade I could not be. Uh, wow, what it is? Sorry, I could not be in this trade in the 9 a.m. I could hold this trade literally 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I already want to close this trade. I don't like this reaction at all. Why I'm waiting here? I should close my position earlier, but I should wait. The market maker there understand that we have stop losses here. Um,
Order filled.
Come on, for real? How I can trade when I see this fucking news in the 8:30, 8:45 fucking shit at 9 a.m.? Like, are you fucking serious? News every fucking second? Yeah, I close the trade and then it goes down. Just because I see that we want to break this zone of support before we can go up. Uh, we didn't take this liquidity, so it's fake breakout after fake breakout. You know what I mean? I really want. to open the trade here because we have really nice reaction. But bro, we have news at 9 a.m. Fucking dumb fuck. Um, okay. This trading plus $261. Let's see what news will do. I think the news will break this level, probably with this level too, maybe this level too. Let's see. Literally 9 a.m. USD jolt jobs, jolts job openings. All right. The most important skill for the trader, it's not open their position or something like this. It's wait. We should wait until everything will happen in the market and then we'll see. And this week, it's week of NFP or it's another week? Okay, tomorrow will be news at 7, that's okay. July, what's the Friday? It's July 4th. Nothing. I thought it will be NFP, but nope. Okay, let's see. Right now, only at 9 a.m. Let's see how it goes. That was just a blink of an eye, you know. I was like, and that's just insane. And it's very, very funny that we didn't take liquidity from this moment. Anyway, uh, anyway, it's really funny how the market, how the news really like impact on the market. It's just insane. So for me right now, it's pretty obvious that we want to go up. We really want. Hmm. What about yesterday when I was in the market yesterday? No news yesterday. What the hell? That was. Oh no no. No no matter. Alright, maybe not the best idea to open the trade right now. Whatever. Ah, wait, Max. Just wait. Everything is fine.
Order filled.
Just wait, I said, and then I just fly to this deal, to this trade. I want to take a little bit more water. I opened my trade very badly. Like the position of my entry, just awful. We didn't even take this liquidity before we can go higher. Before we can go higher. Oopsie daisy. Mm, do we really want to go here before? I knew that we want to go up, to go long position and took this liquidity, but before we just very easily can took this liquidity, which is I don't really like. And I'm trying to figure it out, where the market makers wants to push before. You know what? 1 to 1 risk to reward, and I don't give a fuck. I really don't like that we almost break this level. I mean very closely we was before this level, and then we goes up. I don't really believe in it. I think it's very too close levels, very very close. If it will be plus straight, I will close the platform for today, obviously. We will take this liquidity 100%. What about take? Okay, 655. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. No news for today, right? Only 9 a.m. I don't want to think that that was a trap for buyers before we will break this fucking level. But anyway, wow. Literally from this level, for real? Oh yeah. hmm Maybe it's not fake breakout, huh? No, I can't see this level when it's literally at the same time, like at one line, then a couple of levels here at the same direction, and they're all together. Like it doesn't make sense at all right now to goes down. Like absolutely doesn't make sense. If we want to take liquidity, the only liquidity that we have is here and here, yes, but we already take the liquidity from here. So which means that we want to go up. Like in my opinion, it's like it, it's how market maker is thinking right now. If the market maker exists and he wants to take liquidity, it's only one option goes up here and take liquidity here too. Absolutely. Like it's how the market maker think about the money. It's smart money. What about the people who open their trades? They think that we bounce from this level and then we can go in the short, you know? But at the same time, it's like short trend. It's short trend with liquidity here, with liquidity here. Okay. And we took like wait. I e- I didn't even see this. Wait, I saw this. Yes, I saw that we already took this liquidity. So yes, now just wait, chill, breathe, air. Okay. But I don't wanna be in this trade like for 2 hours like yesterday. I really don't wanna because like 2 hours for one trade for the scalper, it's too much. What the fuck was this candle, bro? Why do we have this candle? Look at these sellers. Boom, boom. hmm Yeah, we want to take liquidity from bottom. Fuck. Hmm. We can't reverse right now, unfortunately. We won't take this liquidity here. hmm Should I took really quick short position? Okay, just wait. Just wait and think about it. Maybe we really wants to go higher right now in the middle of fucking nowhere. Like really in the middle of the movement. Right now, like I said, for example, if I am market maker and I push the price here, why I didn't take liquidity here and here and here. Yeah, bounce from my fucking trade. Uh-huh. Duh. Okay. The market just reversed over here, which means the market maker, the smartest than me. You know what I mean? Like, doesn't make any sense to to fucking reverse over here. And he was like, reverse. It's okay for me because I'm in the long position. But anyways, but here is nobody can realize that we wanna reverse the trend. You know what I mean? And now we push forward. My soldiers push forward. My soldiers win. That was from the Attack on Titan. My soldiers scream forward. Oh shit. Is that advance? No, advance. My soldiers scream out. My soldiers push forward. My soldiers won. Yeah, I'm in a good mood, guys. I'm in a good mood when I see this. Everything told us that we want to break this level. Look at this 5 minutes candle. Wow. Pretty nice. Oh. Mm. 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 What the fuck? What I'm doing right now. Okay. No, wait. It's a lot of potential here. And it's the same time. Like, I had one-to-one risk reward. Why the fuck I'm waiting here? That wasn't plus 700, right? I'm just thinking about move my stop loss. For example, below this candle. Okay? Okay. Um, do we want to go here or here? Now we create a bullish flag. It calls bullish flag. The market already gives me $600, exactly like yesterday. What the fuck am I doing right now? $655. I wanna see the reaction from here, from this point to, open my trade. I mean, to move my stop loss. After yesterday, I'm just thinking about one-to-one risk to reward, and at the same time, I'm just, have this hope inside me that we can give me like 1.5, 1.6 risk to reward. And now we want to reverse, huh? Am I really greedy? Why? From what period? I just started to doing one-to-one. Actually, from yesterday, I already know that.
Order filled.
Yeah, wait a little bit longer, motherfucker. Wait a little bit longer. Don't take your money, fucking greedy idiot. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. I'm disappointment. Mhm. Oh, my mouse didn't work. Ha! Okay. The market already gives me the fucking $500. Why the fuck I did this stupid decision to wait? Look at this. Look at this candle. Now I'm thinking about that we already can open our short trade, short position.
Order filled.
Did they just trap me? I was one of those guys who open their short position right here and right now. So they are. I don't think so. We have liquidity here and here. And after this 5 minutes candle, I really understand that that was something very stupid. You know what I mean? Idea of success, huh? The price should go here at least. Like it's the whole point of this movement, like to take this liquidity. That's it. That's all the point. Maybe even lower. It's ready. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, I don't give a fuck. $1,000. Boom. And y- do you feel this? Do you feel what I'm thinking about? Right? You feel me? Greedy bitch. Max, please stop. I begging you, stop. Stop. I predict every movement in the market. Every movement. You won. Today you won. Yes, you're right. Okay. Um, 2 days in a row, guys. 2 days in a row, I predict every movement in the market. It's just insane, bro. Every movement, literally. Like, wow. Wow. All right, guys. Thank you for the watching this perfect broadcast. It's not broadcast. It's just record video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support on every video. That you write me comments. That you give me your likes, your subscriptions. Thank you, guys. As you can see, somehow, sometimes I realize every moment of the market, where we going, why we doing this, and all that stuff. So thank you, guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you, every of you. Thank you. Bye bye.